Ayun, so guys, no, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is update for Rome Online Golden Age. So available na po yung pre-registration niya, no? Yung pre-registration na to is magtatagal to until the day launch, no? The day before i-launch yung official game sa August ng Rome Golden Age. Ayan, no? So, offer i-reward 100% to all users who participate the pre-registration now from June 26, 2025 to the day before the official launch. And so, try natin, no? And so, eto guys, mas maganda daw mag-pre-register na kayo habang mas maaga. It's because marami siyang pamigay no, na libre. Ayan. So, I think after natin makapag-pre-register dito guys, no, may makukuha tayong coupon code, which is yung coupon code na yon ay magagamit natin pag-release ng official launch ng ating game sa August. So, the pre-registration coupon will be available after the official launch of ROM Golden Age. So, ito yung pre-registration code natin. So, ayan. So, syempre, ilalagyan natin ng black para hindi nyo makita coupon code ko yan. And, ano nyo na lang na i-screenshot nyo na lang and capture the screen to keep your coupon code safe. Ayan. So, screenshot nyo na lang para pagdating nung release niya sa global ng ROM Golden Age, no, this coming August, is i-encode nyo na lang yan doon sa coupon setting ng mismong in-game. Ayan, so ano nga bang meron no, sa pre-registration? Maraming reward, no? Nakikita nyo naman ang daming reward na ipamimigay ng ating ROM online, no? And so this is a part of their marketing strategy, no, para dumami syempre yung player na mag-download or maglaro nitong kanilang game, no, sa padating na official launch sa global this coming August. And so wala pa tayong exact date kung kailan yung release niya this coming August, basta yung month sure na August na. And so check natin yung classes. So meron tayong tatlong class, which is the Ranger, Knight, and Magician. So per class meron yan tatlo pa, no? So for example, Ranger, meron pong tatlong class yan sa loob, which is the Scout, yan, Ranger, then Hunter. Ayan, parang crossbow yung gamit ng Hunter, no? Dun sa Knight naman, meron tayong Berserker, Knight, and Defender. Yung Defender, tank type siguro to kasi may shield eh. Then sa Magician naman, meron tayong Priest. Yan, ito yata yung Cleric. As Magician, syempre yung Mage. Then Wizard, High. Parang mas mataas na Mage, no? I think, like that. So these are the three different classes on ROM Online. So, RPG Tokenomics 3.0. So, eto kung paano siya mag-obtain. So, meron siyang minting process which is using diamond, no? Yung diamond mo yata pwede maging Chrome token. Ayan si Chrome token. Pwede siyang ibenta as USD, no? Then USD swap to Chrome token. Yung Chrome token pwede mong staking, then staking to Crystal token. Ayan. So, meron din nalulot na crystal dito yata in-game, I think. So, itong crystal na yan. Yung crystal na yan, pwede natin siyang i-mint, no, para maging crystal token. Tapos, yung diamond naman, I think, pwede natin siyang i-mint para maging chrome token. So, dalawa yung type ng token dito sa ROM Golden Age, no? Si Chrome token and Crystal token. So, abangan natin yan. So, yan yung way kung paano kumita in-game. It's because this game is NFT na, no? So, meron na siyang token in-game under Wimix. So, claim the throne, get ready. So, ito yung mga registration milestone event. So, 100k player, meron tayong box. then 200k, 300k at to 1 million players na mag-pre-register. So meron pa dito, ayan, check lang natin yung pre-registration event. Madali lang naman yan, click-click lang yan, no? Makukomplete mo pa agad. Ayan. So, click-click mo lang siya. Mission 4 complete. Check. And so, I think receive 200 golden age registration token. At meron pa ditong isang event, check-in event. Daily to, no? I think hindi natin alam kung para saan to, itong points na to. Ayan. Pre-registration token ang tawag dito, no? And so, hindi natin alam. I think magagamit natin yan pambili in-game pag-release na tong game mismo sa uh, August. Ayan. So, magagamit natin itong pre-registration tokens na to na pambili ng mga, ayan, may nakikita tayo dito. Siguro mount yan or pet. I think mga pang summon and golds. Ayan. So, ayan o yung reward availables. Ayan, so makikita natin siya guys or magagamit natin siya in-game. So for now, kunin muna natin. Matagal-tagal pa naman yung official release na tong game na to, no? Matatapos pa natin itong 7, 14, 21 days check-in event, no? Matatapos pa natin yan kasi I think 38 days pa yata or 37 days pa yung bago matapos ng pre-registration event na to. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa guys. Kaya, matatapos pa natin tong check-in. Daily check-in yan guys, no? So, huwag natin sayangin, no? Maganda-ganda yung pamigay ng ROM, no? And I think, syempre, dudumugin to kahit pa paano no, ng other players. And so, this game nga pala guys, no, kahit wala kayong investment, it is a free to play. Pwede natin siyang laruin ng libre, no? And syempre, farm lang. Kung gusto nyo kumita na malaki, is sipagan nyo lang. Yun lang naman yun. Then, syempre, NFT to, expect na natin na maraming player. So, yun lang naman yun, no? Ayan, so this is the pre-registration milestone event. Ayan, so marami siyang pamigay kung umabot ng 1 million players, syempre. Ayan. So, meron pa dito, no? Ayan. Meron siyang parang lottery. Lottery, no? Ayan, so mag-i-invite ka lang ng tao na mag-pre-register. Ayan yung pre-registration link natin na nasa comment down below. Pa-click na lang nun kung gusto nyo mag-pre-register. Ayan, so yung first prize, syempre, 4,000 play token ata to, which worth 19,700 USD. Yan yung first prize niya. So, the second place is 1,000 play, worth 4,930 USD. Then, the third place is 1,000 play, which parehas lang halos ng second place, no? And so, para tong ano, no, tawag dito, lottery, na para siyang lotto. Ayan, na pipili ka ng 6 numbers. Then, kung for example, maka 6 numbers ka and ikaw yung makakuha ng 6 na number, ikaw yung matsyempohan na manalo ng 6 na numbers. Ayan, so, ikaw yung mananalo ng first prize. So, ito, meron na tayong 6 entries. And so, kaya nag-i-invite tayo guys na para dumami yung entries natin. Per invite, makakakuha tayo ng entry, no, ticket entry per invite. So, sa mga gusto mag-pre-register, click nyo lang yung link sa ating comment section, nakapin yan. No? So, i-click nyo lang yun guys para makapag-pre-register na kayo and ma-check nyo na rin yung mga event dito sa bagong parating na game which is ROM Golden Age. Ayan, no? And so, connect your wallet to play to Wemix Play during the event period, then pre-register on the ROM site and complete mission 4, then sign up on Wemix Play and pre-register. And sa tig-5 bonus tickets. So, bali meron kang 10 tickets pag tinapos mo yung event, maliban pa doon sa invites mo. Ayan, so per invites, no, I think meron lang tayong 30 invites na pag nakapag-invite tayo ng 30 persons. Ayan, so meron tayong makukuhang NFT, no? Free NFT. Ewan ko, parang NFT card lang naman to. I don't know, hindi yan NFT character. I think. NFT card lang yan. So, meron tayong makukuha ng NFT card. No, hindi natin alam. Yan. So, yan yung magiging reward niya. Final reward pag naka-invite ka ng 30 persons. Plus, syempre, yung mga tickets. No, additional tickets for entry. And entry tickets for draw 1. Week 1 draw ng ating lottery event ni ROM Online. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching and sama-sama nating abangan ang ROM Golden Age Online.